How to bent arm planche all the way from 0 to not 1 rep, but holding it. Step 1 is to take off your shirt, because every unnecessary gram will be against us. So okay, now for real, the step 1 is bent arm tuck planche hold. For sure, if you wanna do it on a high bar or like P-bars, it will be a little bit easier for you because your legs can be basically under the ground. In step 2, we're gonna do extensions to advanced tuck. So you're gonna start in tuck position, then for a split of second extend to advanced tuck. So master this, and the step 3 will be holding the advanced tuck. After you can hold this with ease for like 10-12 seconds, now we're gonna move closer to the straddle variations. We'll do again extensions from tuck, bent arm planche to straddle for a split of second, just to get into position, but don't hold it yet. So over time we will do it slower and slower. And now step 5, bent arm planche straddle hold. In the beginning of training this move, or even after you manage to hold the full variation, there's a high chance that you will do the bent arm planche like this, all the way down with your arms in this angle. This variation is a little bit easier than holding it in the middle like this. The step 6 is these pumps into full bent arm planche. Ooh, that's pretty tough move, so don't underestimate it. Now step 7, full bent arm planche. We got a couple of options how to transition to full, from handstand to full bent arm planche. Transition 2 is from straddle to full. Transition 3 is all the way from tuck. And I almost forgot, transition 4 is to do elbow lever, then slowly slide. So there you have it, guys. As I said, this is pretty tough move. Even I have troubles holding it. Well, hashtag no warm up. And of course this move takes time to learn, so don't rush it. It's pretty tough on your joints. You will also gain a ton of strength that the regular planche requires. Hope you guys liked it, and see you guys in the next video.